So in terms of which came first for my career, was it the technology or was it the mining? I would definitely say it was the mining. I studied a Bachelor of Science degree, and that afforded me the opportunity to go and work underground on the mines in South Africa. I was quite a change agent myself, going into the mines as one of a few technical women in the underground environment. I was working on a mine that had both a mechanized section as well as a traditional mining section. So I was also able to see how change was impacting the mining sector there as well, how people were interacting with the new technology, as well as how people were struggling in terms of the older technologies. It's a really interesting concept around what impact technology would make on the overriding supply-demand fundamental economic cycles. And I guess to question whether the power of technology is to extend and or shorten periods. Demand and supply cycles will inherently always exist because it's a fundamental. What has happened through the supply of technology is we've shifted our supply cycles. So where before we had supply constraints and vertical supply curves, through the deployment of technology, we've been able to open up supply areas. The reality of this fast-paced technology world is that we've got the juxtaposition of a mining sector which has effectively lead times which can be up to 6-7 years before you build a mine, versus a very fast happening sector. So that's the challenge of the sector, is equating quick technology cycles into a very long run game. I think it's about being able to realize that now this is the new paradigm, this is an ongoing game. I really do see my role as somebody that's been a bit of a standalone pioneer as a woman in mining is really well suited, because I've had to drive change to the change we're also trying to do from a technology perspective. Telstra Mining Services is well positioned to come in at the bottom of the cycle to be able to assist producers in terms of consolidating what they need to be done, allowing them to understand the importance of connectivity, what players can bring in terms of connectivity to the mine, what we can do in the mine, what we can do with the data, so that collectively we can position producers for the next uptake.